Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Teacher Clementine's class. I am Teacher Clementine, and I'm from South Africa. Today, we're going to be learning about the sound effect challenge. Repeat after me. Yes, it's the sound effect challenge. Okay, and the words that we'll be focusing on today is prepare. Repeat after me. Future and gather. Okay, again, it's prepare, future, and gather. Okay, now we're going to create a sentence and it includes all the three words in it. Okay, all right. You're going to still repeat after me. All right. Okay. Come, let's gather together and prepare ourselves for the future. Okay, let's do it one more time. Come, let's gather together and prepare ourselves for the future. For the future. That was fantastic. Okay, thank you so much. And that's all for today. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.